Tama rin kayo healers kapag mag-engage na yung kalaban, mag-forward na kayo, hindi nyo maabot
Henry,
yung
where
mga
you guys now? Kaba, where you?
Ang laki ng blob dito sa Cops.
Yeah, Henry, Kaba.
Yung position kasi namin kanina, nasa harap kami ng mage. Yung mga healers nasa likod.
Those are late. Can we go Fisher?
Malayo masyado.
Let's meet up Fisher. Sana kayo? Elder Sleep pa kayo, Mogi?
Yeah.
I'm coming in late. May binigyan pa ako ng set.
Laki ng blob. Tangina. Sino to?
Summers yan.
Summers?
There are only 80 people.
Fix fight
I'm missing a lot of people, Party 2.
Nasa ano na kami, Elder Sleep na kami. Ay, hindi pala tayo party. Sorry.
33 DA.
Mogi, di na kaya. Nag-share lang ako. Pumasok ako nung din. Ihina ako eh.
May isa pang
Yo,
blob sa
where the
taas.
where are the lead people?
3 of us
Fisher
in
na,
Fisher.
Fisher na.
Yeah, move faster. Kaba, map check Kaba. Kaba? Okay. Kajax, map check. Okay, okay. So just waiting for Lupay. Okay, okay. Zone.
Fuck.
Everyone regroup northwest side. I need everyone here. Yo, where's the rest of my party? September born, Lady Crown, Ryan, Sad, Haji, Decode, Mushin, Dandy.
Set Tom, going set Tom.
Ang ano to eh. Ayaw ko na party to eh.
Fisher lock.
Hindi ka naman nakakapatay.
Shut up ka na lang.
Economist, nakapatayan kanina na isa. Talo
Oy.
ka na agad.
Shit, talo na ako agad. Yung last city, no, matay ako agad eh. Ina.
May bridal ng kapatay nung 8-3 na na shaper. Sino ba 'yan?
Si
Low na shaper, tas inilang. Walang stock yung bridal.
Gokdor ata yun, si Gokdor. Siya yung kasama ko kanina, nag-bomb kami.
Yeah,
Pangit ng kanina, wala.
I'm missing almost half my party here. Where's the rest?
Going set home.
Ala na. Give up na ako dito sa solo.
Yeah, I tell you, help with my world. What? We play choke, Leopay.
Ano kasi, Echo, salubam ko na lang na ba doon?
Okay. No worry, Leopay. I got you, Leopay. I will help you.
Control LC na lang ako.
May na.
Tangina mo.
Yo, where's the rest of my party, man? Why are you guys so slow? Wait. Let me ask.
Sumabog sa butay kanina eh.
Asan si Mogi?
Kayo tong Northwest.
Tangina, wala akong ano.
Ay, no GG. Just run later, okay? Comes out. Yeah, I'm gonna start the fight already. Comes out. Yo, no GG, no catch BM. So, BMs. Yeah. You're not supposed to die here. I need a battle scout on them now. Comes out. No, where are they going? Come northeast. Come northeast, come northeast, come northeast.
Dismounted, Mogi. Southeast. Nagko-cross na ng bridge.
They going southwest or northeast of bridge?
Northwest bridge.
It's
Yun
coming.
lang. Poking ina.
Nakat.
Puta na, patay ka na agad.
Di ba bridal ka?
Tank yan siya, heavy May.
The best.
Okay.
Yung food jacuzzi.
Irigay ka na lang sa Port Sterling Portal doy. Abot ata inbi mo dito.
Oh, abot inbi mo sa ano? Sa
Sa may tunnel.
Careful,
Lapang
ready
gang sa
defenses.
tunnel.
Spread.
Mahirap ibang dito.
33.
Pag ganitong angle.
It's okay, we don't need to push out. They need to push to us.
Kaya mo yan.
I'll just wait. Niga.
Are they stepping up now? Be careful when they choke away. Okay, they're stepping up now. You dismount already, man. Ready. I think we can go under the choke. You mount up. Come southeast. Are they dismounted? Where are they? Are they going back? Are they going behind me? Yo, come right. Can I get the battle scout, please? One tank. Come right, west.
They're dismounted south, Mugi. Like south in the road.
Southeast, right? On
In the road,
right?
yeah.
Alright. Come.
Southeast walking,
Southeast walking.
On the
Okay,
hideout.
Yeah, dismount me. Yo, kick kami south. Kick kami south. We try to go to the south choke. We try to go to south choke.
They're
South choke should be
going
smaller.
east.
They're going east or northwest?
East.
Pass the river.
They're by the hideout right now.
Pass the river.
They're on the water bridge.
They're on the water bridge. The tanks
Yeah,
get
they
ready to
just
full
passed
speed.
it. They passed it already.
Come southwest. They
Dismounted.
come here. Spread
You kill
southwest.
the
Spread southwest. Kill the mobs behind. Okay.
Patay bala.
Wait, boys, Bala dead.
Minus GA. Oh,
They're
my
coming, Mugi. They're in front of you now.
Yo, careful front line. Ready defenses. Yeah, listen, we're gonna keep engaging shallow tanks, then we pull back. Okay, careful front line. Oh, that's a lot of battle mods again.
Okay,
Oh, Jug.
do or die, Niga.
Business daw, wala ka na agad ano.
You kill the mobs.
Careful. Probably south side, going to choke south side. If we can't go south side, okay. If we can't go south side to choke on the hideout. Tanks peel later, okay. Wait. Yo, careful, spread southwest more. Make sure you don't get pulled from there, okay. So get ready, shallow. Heal up. Shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Ready defenses. They're gonna headbutt, okay? Careful. Tanks hold them. Good hold. Just hold. Oh my god, just 2 people died there. You're ready. Help my front line, come back. Yo, my Kajak's cover, just wait for them to fully push in on the choke and just engage on it. Yo, they're just peeling my tanks, man. Heal my tanks. Just guard on the choke, man, so that they don't get pulled.
Don't
get
stay
ready.
on the choke. Don't stay on the choke.
Don't stay on the choke.
Honey.
Just please spam the guard runes there. Spam the guard runes there if you see someone get pulled, man.
They have Siege Bobam,
They have siege bomb, be careful.
To control
Our
Siege Bobam.
Oh,
To control Siege Bobam. 7-3
Yo, careful. Spread southwest more.
Can
Spread
we have
southwest
can
more.
we have everyone back up a little bit from the
Guard,
choke?
everyone, shallow. Get ready. Okay, wait. Shallow inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside. Kill the tank here. Come back. Careful, spread southwest. They have a siege bomb. Don't stick to the full.
I think it's clap. Siege bow.
Siege
Or
bomb clap.
Bro, yan sige.
Oh, bro ba yan? Naka-Misuker
You're
jacket
gonna
eh.
engage shallow. Heal me shallow. Ready.
Yung kanina
Guard
yung...
rune, please. Guard rune on the choke, man. Yo, again, fast engage, and then pull back. Get ready. Northeast shallow, okay? Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Come back fast. Defend now. Pull back. Yo, guard rune deeper, man. Come on. The fact that
Hirap
people
na.
still got countered pulled there, man. Hello. Spread southwest. Yo, who's getting engaged there? Come southwest a bit. Pull them a bit. You get ready to hold them on the choke. Okay? Pull them a bit. Pull south. Pull south. Yo, listen, fake engage only. Wait. Just pull south, boys. Just let them pass the choke. Hello? Tanks, just watch it, please. Control them when they're passing through choke. Yo, listen, fake only. Ready? Hold him. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back fast. They're gonna counter engage here. Spread southwest. Careful front line. Careful in the front. Yo, come southwest more, boys. Pull them to the choke. Tank, CC them on the choke if they try to go deep, okay?
Do you want me to regear?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they're gonna engage shallow.
Aura lang ka.
Okay, they're looking. Ready, healing on the choke. Hold on eh. They're gonna look, okay? You step up a bit. We fake only. Yo, defend shallow. Yo, fake engage only, okay? Step up, fake only. Come back. They're gonna counter. Potion, headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. The demons are late. Okay. Help my bomb. They just engage on the choke. Oh god, did you what? How many engage do they have, man? Yo, inside, get ready. Look at the tanks inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt on the choke. Now come back. Spread. They're gonna engage. Careful. Help my choke. Have the choke. Come back. They're pushing. Spread. They're pushing. Spread. Try to get away from the choke, boys, as fast as you can, man. Try to just get away from the choke. Tanks, listen, I need a shallow healing wood. I need deep healing wood on their backline. Okay, get ready. Look at northeast shallow. Wait, northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow now. No. Come back. Spread. Come south. Tanks hold the choke. Spread. Come south. Bomb. South. They're pushing south. Ready defenses. Defend inside. Heal me. Tanks hold the choke. Just wait. Come south, boys. Come south. Spread. Ready. Marika, potion. Look at north. Get ready. Potion. Look at the choke. Get ready. Everything on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything choke now. Now spread south. Spread southeast. Keep coming south. Keep coming south, boys. Keep coming south. Careful. Keep coming south. Boys. Keep coming south. Okay. Keep coming south. Marika, 10 seconds we're gonna engage again. Okay, 10 seconds we're gonna engage again. Ready defenses. Spread. Marika, spread. Marika, get ready. Heal up. Heal on me. Marika, find me now. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. Run. Tatat. Everyone Dimas. GG. If you survive, drop all loots in